In this video, I will show you exactly how to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without needing a Microsoft account or signing into the Microsoft Store. Let's get started. Go to your browser and browse google.com. In Google search, type VLC Media Player Download and then hit enter. Here you will find the VLC Media Player official download link. Click on VLC Media Player free download. Scroll down and click on free download icon. Close this pop-up menu. Scroll down again. Click on start download and download is started and download finished. Click on the download. Click on show in folder. Double click on the VLC Media Player exe file you have downloaded. Select the language. I'm selecting English. Then click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. And I'm keeping the default settings. Click on next. Then click on install. Installation is continuing. Installation finished. Click on finish. Privacy and network access policy. Click on continue. And VLC Media Player is successfully downloaded and installed on my Windows 10 computer. That's it.